homemade tortilla chips. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I am David with Zion's Gate Ranch. Today we are going to make homemade tortilla chips. Yes, that's right, homemade tortilla chips. You won't want to buy tortilla chips ever again from the store. It's just like the Mexican chips you eat at a Mexican restaurant, but better. So today we're going to cut these babies up. We're going to show you how to fry them. It's quick, it's simple. All you need is some delicious salsa and you are good to go. So let's go. Stay to the end of this video. I'm going to show you delicious tortilla chips. Let's do it. Any kind of lard or cooking oil that you can find. Real corn tortillas from Mexico. You need the real corn tortillas. Grab 4 to 5 corn tortillas. Set them on a cutting board. Cut 4 squares to where they look like this. One, two, three, 4 chips. Get your oil nice and hot. Next step is dump your chips in there. Do not double stack. Real tortillas, guys. Delicious. Get you some salt. Cover with salt. Fry until brown. When they get puffy, flip. If you pull them too soon, they're gooey. You want them hard and crispy. Once they start to get a little brown, you know they'll be done. Homemade salsa from the garden. Homemade tortilla chips. Check it out, y'all. The best tortilla chips you could ever have. Homemade from Mexican tortillas. Get you a scoop and dig in. Listen to the crunch. Mmm. Mmm. So good. How good is it? Mmm. 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 The winner, y'all. Make your own. All right, everyone. So that is so easy, so delicious, and it's so cheap to make. So if you go to your local Mexican store near you, you can find corn tortillas. They're usually at a Mexican store. So if you can find those, you can find them online, but they have no preservatives in them. So they have to be refrigerated, and they are a corn only tortilla. I'm sure that you can make them with flour. They probably won't be as good, but I do recommend all corn tortilla with no preservatives. It is dynamite. Okay, we have a local one kind of near us, and they're only like $2 to $3 for a whole package. It's so easy, so quick, and they destroy every kind of chip you can buy at the store. You're getting robbed when you buy at the store. They're charging you $6, $7, $8 for a bag, and they're junk. Okay, they're junk. So fry up your own, and we'll see you guys on the next one. We love you guys, and like, share, and subscribe these videos from my farm to yours. We love you guys. Peace.